Hi my corporate angels, welcome back to today's video. I am super excited for this one because it's a beautiful Saturday noon. I almost got a work meeting and I was going to end up looking like this, but trust me, the Lord is with me and it got postponed to Monday. So yeah, that's my trouble for Monday. But yeah, with that being said, it somehow gave me this great idea that you know what, I want to sit down today and share with you all of my essentials that really help me through get my day. Because trust me, without these products, me pretending like me having a good day is effortless would not be possible. So yes, I'm very excited because I know a lot of Gen Zs are making their way into the corporate world, and oh my god, their leave messages are my favorite, are my absolute hands down favorite. I get a guilt trip when I'm telling somebody that, oh, like, you know, I don't work on Saturdays, oh, I'm on vacation. But these guys are so bold. I really aspire to be that someday. But yeah, nonetheless, I really hope you find these corporate girly essentials helpful, because honestly these are always on my desk and I think they really come through. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Okay, to start off with, यार ये तो होना ही चाहिए, especially with all of the traveling that I do to go to the other end of the world. I live in a better part of the world, that is I live in South Bombay, the best place ever. But yeah, my workplace is not in Soho, to say the least. So after a lot of traveling, I end up reaching to my office, and no matter what I've done to my hair, no matter how good of a product it is or just how good of a day I'm having in general, I cannot imagine my life without a comb. I need to have my comb. This is my office comb. It's generally in my desk because like I need it to be there, because you know I can't look like I've been hit by a train, because sometimes I am almost hit by a train because the crowd, the rush hours is crazy. But yeah, nonetheless, please carry a comb. And especially being a media and entertainment lawyer, I see so many people coming to office for auditions, otherwise for work in general, and they're always so put together that I just cannot be representing them looking the way I look in that stage without my comb. So yeah, you know, gotta keep my comb on me at all times. I always make it a point to comb my hair in the washroom. Please do not comb your hair on your desk. That is disgusting. I see few people do that, and this is my note to them, to not do that. It's not cool, it's not fun to do your makeup on your desk and like just, I mean, yeah, if it's desperate moment, you know, somebody's come and you have to hush and rush, I get it, but don't make it like a routine. Do like get ready on the desk. I don't know, I just personally not a big fan of it. Anyways, comb, very important, very essential. With that being said, moving forward, like I told you, I have a lot of meetings. Sometimes I'm aware of those meetings, sometimes I'm not. Regardless, I still have to pretend like I was interested to be in that room. With that being said, it is very important to smell good at all times. And when I say smell good, not just like, you know, perfume wise, which yes, I highly recommend to have a perfume with you at all times. Generally मैं अपने work office के drawer में ये छोटू सा roll on रख देती हूँ, because it's just an easy way to smell good and feel good. It's a nice pick me up for myself. But something else that I feel is very important, especially office में कई बार हम लोग non veg खाते हैं या फिर कुछ गाले का नींद, कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें खाते हैं, that I don't want my breath to smell good, and I'm not gonna be that person who brushes their teeth in the washroom. मेरे पास इतना time नहीं है. Not happy. Sometimes I go to the washroom as an escape from my clients and my work and just the pressure, that I'm just like, okay, breathe. You know, I have those kind of moments in the bathroom. Personally, not a big fan of chewing gums. I don't like it. Not my vibe, not my type. So another way to smell good and keep my breath smelling good at all times is to have a mouth freshener. I mean, I do not leave my house without having this in all of my bags. Like literally मेरे छोटी sling में भी आपको ये मिलेगा, because that's how cautious I am of my breath and not smelling good, or rather smelling good. Just regardless, whatever the right frame of words is for that, but you get my point, right? I have like ample of these. I buy a pack of them from Amazon and then they're just everywhere. I was always a desktop girly for a very long time in my career. However, not anymore. Now I'm an official big girl corporate job girly, and I have my own laptop, my whole setup and everything, and I cannot imagine what life is without this. This is my, oh, what was that? Acha kachra, never mind. I am so sorry. But yeah, talking about this is my laptop ka stand. And oh my god, like this thing, this conjunction, this piece of thingamajig makes life so easy. It's so lightweight. I literally carry this every day, every single day. in my office bag. Like it easily fits. It also came with its own pouch, जो जब से वो आया है वो पाउच के बाहर वो कभी अंदर गया ही नहीं. I literally dug this pouch out of my bag because I was cleaning my bag and I thought, you know, I should show you कि अच्छा, you know, it does come with this thing as well in case if you are that person. I am not, but you could be. So yeah, I just, this helps me so much. My neck pain, my posture has become so much better with the stand situation. So yeah, definitely a stand needs to be there with you at all times. With that being said, like I told you, I do tend to have a lot of meetings, like a big girl meetings, and there's a lot of there's not necessarily a lot of hugging to people. That's creepy actually. I've not seen corporate में लोगों को hug करते हैं. I mean, unless you know them for a long time, then of course you can go around hugging people, but generally it's a lot of handshakes, a lot of firm handshakes, like, you know, things like that. And I am physically, mentally paranoid about my hands not feeling good. It's just a fear that I've had because my mom has criticized my hand so much. Every time she'll like touch my hand, she's like, oh my god, your hand is like a man because they're so kadak, they're so just not like a girl's hand. And I said, I get it, and that's who I am. But yeah, I kind of always keep a hand cream on me. This is always on my work desk, in my bag. Just, I need to have a hand cream. Again, I'm not a hand cream girl person, but if I know I'm gonna shake hands with someone, I will make it a point. It would be a mission of my life to at least apply this 10-15 बार in a day, thinking it's gonna magically work. तो yeah, पता नहीं मुझे क्या मजा आता है ये लगाने के तुरंत 5 मिनट के बाद I will go to the washroom, wash my hands, and I'll regret कि like अरे यार अभी तो मैंने क्रीम लगाई थी, and then I'll come back and I will about to go put the hand cream and I'll get a call and then I have to go for a meeting and I'm like, oh shit, I have to put the cream. So yeah, जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत होती है तब मैं नहीं लगाती, but I want to be that person. So I don't know what was the point of the story, but just I'm saying I want to be this person. I am not, but you can be. However, moving forward in a more tech related things, if I may, I don't know मेरे पास ये item क्यों नहीं था. Like I really don't know why did I not get this sooner. I'm talking about this. This is a little concoction thingy that you get on Amazon. This is basically a screen cleaner, and you get this so you can, you know, clean your keyboard situation. I don't eat on my desk, but sometimes I eat in my bed with my laptop, so there are like food crumbs on the keyboard. So yeah, it's just nicer to like clean it off. And again, once you take it down, then this is where things get interesting. You have, this is that one thing I never use. Apparently you can like remove your keyboard keynotes and clean it or something, or like replace it. I don't know, I don't fidget around with this. This is a very risky big girl situation that I don't know about, so I don't use this. However, the two things that I use religiously are this. So this is a liquid for cleaning my laptop screen, and I already have like a big bottle of it, but मैं वो अपने vanity में रखती हूँ कहीं पे तो, but I just put this in here. So I like to use this to clean my office laptop, my home laptop, so it just becomes an easy concoction, and then I can easily wipe with this. Now very honestly with this, the clean is good but not good enough, so ultimately I do end up using a tissue regardless, but this is like a good first point to begin with. So yeah, I just like to use this. And the liquid, that of course this doesn't come with the liquid आपको खुद से खरीदना होता है, which I think at this point we all have glass cleaners, screen cleaners, so I'm not surprised with that. Then we have this. Oh my freaking god, this is to clean my AirPods, which if I didn't have this, they would look so disgusting, so disgusting. Like if I don't use this for like a week, they start looking trashy and I question myself. So yeah, you get this concoction to like clean the part that goes in your ears, and then you get this sponge. Like, I mean, I'm sorry, but can you see how dirty it is? I kind of want to know how to clean this like this, but I don't think we can clean this or like remove this, exchange this, I don't know. But yeah, this is quite literally disgusting, but this is what keeps my gadgets looking good, especially for my AirPods. This thing comes through because AirPods white होता है, तो makeup तो आधा वैसे उसके ऊपर लग जाता है. So like, you know, having this thing just really makes me feel good, and it's a nice travel friendly thing. आप easily इसको bag में रख सकते हो. Sometimes I carry with this, sometimes I don't. It really depends, because these are not things I need on an everyday basis, but when I do need it, oh boy, it's emergency. So yeah, I just like to have this on me at all times. And with that being said, lastly, I always like to have some kind of makeup with me, be it on my desk, be it in my bag, because like I told you, the whole point is to look presentable and be presentable. So try having some kind of makeup, some kind of essentials that will help you get through the day, because that really helps. And generally, like a makeup essential for me will definitely have to be hands down, like hands down, a lip gloss slash lip tint. And something that I'm obsessed with right now is the Fenty Beauty Bomb Gloss, because it just feels good, looks good kind of situation. But yeah, you can keep switching it up, but a lip balm or a lip tint that is also hydrating, because again, आप दिन भर ऑफिस में एसी के नीचे होते तो आपके लिप्स बहुत cracked and dry लगता है. And there have been situations where I have been in meetings and I've just looked at the person and I'm just like, cracked lips, not a cute look. Like, it's just something you observe, because now I do it, so I observe if people are doing it themselves. It's just like that. And yeah, those were like all of my corporate girly essentials for my Gen Zs and just everybody out there trying to get through the day and make their place into this big world. And I'm wishing you all of the good luck to be the most successful version of yourself. And yeah, this is a nice quick short video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. And also, please share this video with your corporate girly bestie and let her know that I've sent a lot of love. So yes, with that being said, I would love to see our community grow. So please help me by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing this video with your girlfriends and community. And yes, that's a wrap from my end. I will see you very soon. Bye.